Oh, this is it, Vatican. Okay.
I think we cannot cross anymore. Let's just wait for the other line.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
Everybody.
Then違うでしょ
That's the Vatican. So we are in a new country called Vatican City. It's the smallest country in the world. Vatican City. So there are buskers and they're singing "Stand by Me." Yes.
Sì. Non sono niente, ma sta venendo.
Yung po yung basilica, yung Saint Patrick, yun yung center. That's the church. Yan po kung sino po yung places ng mga pare. Nakikita po yung artwork.
Wo genau gibt es diese Postkarten? Ich habe sie nicht, ich stehe die Aber warum bist du nicht mit einem anderen Postkarten?
Okay.
So it's just the two of you. So
Okay.
we'll just take photos and then we're gonna go.
Okay, sure.
Ato mo siya to. Ato Abu Dhabi dito. Ato Cairo.
Her birthday on Sunday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Be there. Happy
Yes.
birthday. No plan?
No plan yet.
Me too. In Abu Dhabi, I don't have plan yet. But I want to do snowboard. I'm gonna
Oh wow.
sandboarding.
I don't know about that anymore.
I want to try sandboarding.
Yes.
See,
Sand. Sooner. See the taxi here in Vatican City.
yeah, but then to go there.
No, they have a fountain.
So they use the Metro Ottaviano.
Probably have to pay to get close to the fountain. Too many people. Look at the dress.
Look here, the guard.
Okay, going next to hospital.
Square, St. Peter Basilica, and the palace is here behind this one. But also Vatican
Go out. Okay. Okay. Lily, here. It's a long line, and those who have tickets, they can go inside. We don't have to go to the museum, so we just have to walk in the ordinary entrance.
which means that we're going to
Once we arrive at the Vatican City, I'll just stop this vlog.
No, ci aveva detto lei. Ha detto ancora no. Look here. Want to go to the museums? Skip the line.
So this is the line, long line to the museum. Hello, whoever's watching. This is now the entrance of the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. Look here, their police. So imagine 18 of us going around, 19 actually, around Rome, and in about 30 minutes we're going to meet together and then go to Trevi Mountain Fountain. Okay, so finally. Okay, folks, I just have to stop from here. So this is not the Vatican City, walled city. Hi, Ma Miles. Shout out to Ma Miles. Hello. Good morning from the Vatican City. Oh, okay.
Where is Mary?
There. Hi, Ma Miles. Greetings from Rome. We are now. Look, she's there. So you can see here long lines going to the Vatican Museum. We'll just go in front of the St. Peter's Basilica, and then we go home. I mean, not go home. We go to another tourist spot. We will be going to many places today, and then at around 7, we are flying back to London. And then tomorrow, early in the morning, we are flying to UAE. That's the 8th country. Okay, what time is it here? It's about 11. Oh, yeah. More miles next time, next batch. Sama tayo. Punta tayo sa Europa. Okay, so this is now the Musei Vaticani, Vatican Museum. Going there direction, and then that's the St. Peter's Basilica. There we go.
I'll take your photo. Thank you.
Okay, I'll just stop from here because I cannot fix. Oh no! Finally, a while ago it can't be fixed. Okay, there you go. I'll take. There you go. Okay, bye for now. I'll just go around. Okay, I'll pan around. That's Lily, my beautiful Chinese student. The others, my other students, they are somewhere, but we have to meet in about 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, greetings again from